I got 30. And now 35 down there to buy me about 35, 40, 45. That's $50,000. And now 55. I got $50,000 bill. And now 55 here to buy me about 51,000. 50,000. And now 51, now 52, now 3. Now 53. 52. Just like new, fellas. 52. And now bring that 54. Now 55. Now 55. Hey, 54 to 55. Now 55. 56,000. 56,000. 55. And now 56 to buy me about 55. And now 56,000. You're buying almost a new tractor. 55. 56,000. Let's go. 55, 56. Now 57. Now 58. Hey, 58 here to buy me about 8. 58,000. 57. And now $58,000 bill to buy me last call to buy me about 58,000. And 58 Lord. And 58 here to buy me about 58 to buy me about 58 last call to buy me about 58 about $58,000 to 58 to buy me about 58,000. Anybody else? 58 to buy me about 58 about 58 about 58. So 57,000. Thanks, Lee. 44. Bought a brand new right down the road here. 43,000. Oh, now 45. 45. Now 46,000. Now 47. 47. 47. 47. 48. 49. 49,000. 48 about me about 9. 48,000. Give me now $50,000. Now 51. Now 51 here to buy me about 50. Now 51 to buy 50,000. What do you think? Now 52, Corey. Now 52. 52, 52, 51, 5, 52, 52, 52, 5, 53, 53, 53, 5, 53, 54, now 54, 5, 55,000, 55,000, and 55 to buy me to buy $55,000 bill, now 55, 5, 56,000, I got 55, 5, last call, 56,000, anybody? 56, 56, 56, so get them all 55, 5.
Machine Repeat here, folks. Big thanks to Facebook follower David May for sending along that video he filmed Friday, May 22nd, 2020 at the farm estate sale in Etowah, Arkansas by Hendricks Auction Company. Pretty strong prices on that pair of tractors there, particularly the New Holland T6030. What you're looking at here is our MachineRepeat.com auction price data. Highest auction prices I've ever seen on New Holland T6030s. And you can see the one sold Friday at $57,000 with the loader. Second highest price ever. The only higher one was almost 7 years ago, July 23rd, 2013, up in Saskatchewan on a farm sale for, at the time, a 5-year-old 08 model, only 461 hours with a loader. Now also note that earlier this year, February 5th, our friends at BigIron.com had one come out of Kansas, an 09 model, 3,503 hours with a loader, close behind at 55 1/4. And also a very solid price Friday on the Etowah, Arkansas sale on the 2009 CaseIH Puma 180. That was an 09 model again with 1,418 hours on it, brought 55.5. And here's a look at the most recent auction prices I've seen on Puma 180s. You can see quite a discrepancy in pricing. Very strong price back in October on the Big Iron sale out of Kansas with an 11 model, 2,028 hours with a loader. And again, note the one that sold Friday in Arkansas sold with no loader at 55.5.
Your next piece of equipment is on MachineRepeat.com. Search equipment from dealerships across the country to find what you're looking for. Only on MachineRepeat.com.